Welcome everybody, Jason Overly with Overly Equipment. Hi everybody, this is Jason and welcome to the channel this morning. On the list we got a Jacobsen GT12 we're working on, putting a snowblower on it. This is just a quick little video for a quick repair for some of you guys that have a Jacobsen with this dash with that battery cover, or the Ford LGT has a battery cover as well, and that hinge always breaks. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix it. Is it the correct way? Order a new one. What if you can't find them? Some guys are reproducing them on Facebook, but they don't have the hinge. So what do you do? So here's what I've been fixing them for years. If you have this, now you know this is your cover, and this is your hinge. Not the best idea. That plastic eventually just breaks. So what I do, local hardware store, get some aluminum tape. Yep, you're going to see how we're going to redneck this bad boy up, and that's how we're going to fix it. So what I do is, I'll show you here. Hopefully, I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me see here. Let me move the hood out of the way so you guys can get a better view. Now, I've done this before on a couple machines. And I know it isn't exactly correct, but what do you do when you can't find it? So I cut me a strip of it off. This is good and clean. I already prepped it up. See where it lines yourself up. And I go right down over the whole thing on the hinge first. Make sure we're good. And this stuff here is, put my marks. Now, like I said, I know it isn't great, but, oh, ouch, hope that didn't hurt you guys. I know it isn't great, but it works. So then, take yourself a sticky pokey thing, come on the back side, find your holes, hog them out a little bit, and then you're back in business. Is it correct? Nope. You go out to buy a new one? Yep. If you can't find it, oh well. So this is my solution. Now, there's other solutions, and I'm sure you guys have some great ideas out there. The world's an amazing place. So this was just a quick little tip that I've been using, and that aluminum tape, metal tape, will last a long time. And the great thing is, even if it does rip, tear, fall off, it's cheap. You can go get another roll of it or another piece of it, and you can keep doing this for as long as you can. It took 40 years for these things to break. I'm thinking that aluminum's going to hold a little bit better than that plastic. So, little tip for me to you: save yourself a couple bucks trying to find one that's good or whatever, if you can find one. And there you go. Is it pretty? Nope. But you know what? When it's on the hood bolted up, nobody's going to know anything different unless they pull the hood off. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.